Let's start our session. Hello, my colleagues. This is Said Samir. This is our tag 4. Our session today will be about also pronunciation skills. Okay, so let's start with our outcome today. Okay, so our learning outcomes today. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify the features of connected speech, such as stress, elision, assimilation, intrusion, and some pronunciation activities. Okay, so these are our outcomes today. So let's start with stress. Okay, what is the definition of stress? Where the stress is the emphasis we place in a specific syllable of a word when pronouncing it. In English, words that have more than one syllable. English words that have more than one syllable, we usually don't pronounce every syllable with the same weight. So each syllable in a word can be stressed or unstressed. So the stressed syllables. Stressed syllables are louder than the others. Air comes out of our lungs with more power, but they might also be longer or pronounced with higher or lower in pitch. Pitch means tune. Okay, so syllables that aren't pronounced with such emphasis are usually referred to as unstressed syllables, and they are usually not pronounced as clearly as the others. Okay, so the stressed syllables are louder, higher, okay, maybe longer, okay, than the unstressed syllables. Okay, so the stress is usually represented in the transcription by the simple apostrophe, like apostrophe, placed before the stressed syllable. Okay, so this is the definition of the stress. So let's move on. Some rules of word stress. Okay, so only a syllable or one syllable can be stressed in a word, as I said. Okay, so in longer words, there can be one primary stress and one secondary stress. One vowel, one syllable. So the number of consonants doesn't matter. For example, in a word like organization, there is a primary stress on the fourth syllable. Here, they, zation, and secondary stress on the first syllable. And the other syllables are weak. So look at the transcription. This is a secondary stress, okay, here in the first syllable. And on the fourth syllable, there is a primary stress here in they. So organization, okay? Is it clear? Is it clear? Any problem here?
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Okay, so for example, the first one sing. Sing is one syllable. One syllable, one vowel, and two consonants. Sting. So the stress in the first syllable, yeah, at the beginning. Okay, sting. Also one syllable, one vowel, and three consonants. As I said, the consonant doesn't matter. Okay, string is one syllable, one vowel, and four consonants. Okay, number 4, hamstring. Can only have one stressed syllable. Hamstring. Hamstring means annoying. Okay, next. So in the two-syllable nouns, this is the first rule. In the two-syllable nouns, the first is normally stressed, like this. Okay, table. So the stress on the first. Okay, so the first syllable, the stress here. These, this is a noun. Okay, and there are two syllables, and the stress in the first one. So the rule says in two syllables nouns, the first is normally stressed, like in carpet. Okay, so the stress is here at the first syllable. Okay, human. Okay, also the stress at the first syllable here. Okay, doctor. So the stress at the beginning here. Okay, so doctor. Okay, so two syllable nouns, the stress will be at the beginning of the noun. Okay, country. Okay, the stress at the beginning also country. Okay, at the first syllable. And the two syllable adjectives. The first is normally stressed, like happy. So the stress is here. Happy. Yellow, the stress at the beginning. Lovely. Also the stress at the beginning. Okay, so two syllable adjectives, two syllable nouns. The first is normally stressed. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, I think it's easy. Okay, here, who can read the rule? Who can read the rule? Who can read the rule? Yes, who can read? My dears, who can read? Anyone? Anyone can read? Read. No one
Convene.
Yeah, the first, I want to
Yes,
read the rules in two syllables, please, Miss Wala, or Miss Hind, who is speaking.
Miss Wale.
Okay, Miss Wala, read the rules and then the verb.
Convene.
Okay, convene. Okay, so in the two syllable verbs, the second syllable is normally stressed, but there are exceptions to the rule. Okay, so here there are two syllables, con and veen. So the stress is here at the second syllable. Okay. Yes, who can read the second one? Who can read the second one? Okay, the stress here, here in blue, so you can read it. It's easy.
Pursue.
Pursue. So the stress in sa, pursue. Okay. Okay, who can read?
Yes, Mr.
Yes. Who's speaking?
Miss Camelia.
Okay, Miss Camelia.
Prevent.
Yes. Prevent or prevent?
Prevent.
Yes. So the stress in the second syllable, not prevent. It's prevent. Prevent. Okay.
Okay.
As we know, every rule has some exceptions. Okay. So these are the exceptions of this rule. Okay. So such as carry. There are two syllables, but the stress is the first. So carry. Another verb, travel. The stress
Travel.
here. Yeah, the stress here at the beginning. Okay.
Yeah.
Not in the second syllable, as we said. Okay. So these are the exceptions of the rule.
Okay.
Answer. Answer. Okay. The stress at the beginning. And the last one, borrow. Borrow. The stress also at the beginning. Okay, next. Who can read the rule? Who can read? Who can read? Anyone read? Who can read? Yes, who can read the rule? Hello, my dears. Who can read? Read the rule. The rule. Yes, in words with suffixes. What's the problem? Okay. Why do you want to participate with me? Who can read the rule? It's easy. And words with suffixes such as SION, CIAN, IOUS, IC, IENT, IAL, APLE, IA, and ISH. The stress falls on the syllable preceding them. Okay, preceding them and before means before them. Okay, so like this. Here, who can read?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Decision.
Yeah, decision. Okay, so the stress in CI before shin, before the end SION. So the stress will be before them. Okay, the second word, who can read it?
Occasion.
Yeah, occasion. Occasion. So the stress in K. Okay, occasion. Yes, thank you, sir. Okay, the end TION or the suffix TION. Okay, who can read? Who can read?
Separation.
Yeah, Mr. Ahmed Gamal. Yes, separation. So the stress here on the ra sound. Okay, and the second word, who can read it?
Operation.
Yes, operation. Yeah, operation. Okay, the stress here. Yeah, and ra sound. Okay, that's good. Okay, IEN, the suffix IN. Yes.
Technician.
Yeah.
Technician.
Technician. Yeah, technician. Okay, and the last word.
Electrician.
Yeah,
Electrician.
electrician. Okay, the stress in electrician. Yes, great job. Okay, next. The suffix ious, such as?
Delicious.
Yeah,
Delicious.
delicious. Yes. Yes, the second one.
Separation.
No.
Superstitious.
Superstitious. Sorry. Superstitious.
Superstitious. Okay, superstitious.
You can hear me?
Yes. Who's speaking?
May Meher.
Yes, Miss May. Yes, we hear you well.
Yes.
Okay, superstitious. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, mister.
Okay, another suffix, ish, like.
Establish.
Yes. Establish.
Stop.
Okay, establish. Okay. The second.
Republish.
Yeah, republish. Republish. Okay. The suffix ic.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Yes.
Fantastic.
The guest.
And
Obedient.
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 No. Obedient. The stress at the first. If I said obedient, the stress at the first. Okay, so
Obedient.
obedient. Okay, obedient. Okay, next. In the words with the suffix cy, ty, phy, gy, al, stress falls on the second syllable preceding them. Okay, like. Okay, who can read?
Photography.
Yes, photography. So the stress in photography.
Geography.
Yes, excellent. Geography. Okay, geography. Okay, the next suffix.
Biology.
Biology, ja sound. Biology, ja sound. That's the last one. Or ja sound. Ja sound or ja sound?
Biology.
Yeah. Biology. Ology.
Apology.
Yeah. Apology?
No, apology.
Yes. Excellent. Apology. Okay.
Apology.
So the stress, there is a difference here because of the stress. Apology or apology?
No,
ja. Yeah, apology. Okay.
Apology.
Apology. Okay.
Apology.
Okay, great. Next. When a noun is comprised of two words, the first syllable is stressed. Like. Yes.
Blackbird.
Yeah.
Blackboard.
Yeah. Blackboard.
Board.
Blackboard. Okay. Huh? Sunrise.
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 Yes.
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Okay.
Bedroom. Basketball.
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 Yes.
Basketball.
Yeah. Basketball. Okay. Excellent. In reflexive pronouns, the second syllable always is stressed. Like.
Myself.
Myself.
Themselves.
Them. Themselves.
Ourselves.
Ourselves.
Himself.
Himself. Yes. That's good. Okay, so the next feature of connected speech is elision. So what's elision? Omitting one or more sounds from a word or a phrase. Omitting means deleting omitting,
Deleting it.
yeah, deleting one or more sounds from a word or a phrase.
Okay.
Okay, so t and the elision. Okay,
Okay, sir.
t and the elision. Okay, so when t or the comes between two consonants at the end of the syllable, it gets elided. Elided means deleted.
Deleted.
Yeah, the t and the don't get pronounced. So we will delete t here like this. So C consonant, t, and consonant, and also the C or consonant, consonant, and t or the consonant. So we will delete t or the. So for example, like this. Okay, how can we read this? How can we read this?
Script.
Scripts.
If you want to
Script.
if you want to read it, scripts, okay, you will
Scripts.
pronounce ta, okay, but in connected speech, okay, we will say it scripts, okay. I think the next word, I think we use that
Friendship.
yeah,
Friendship.
yeah,
Yes,
I
master.
think we always use that or always pronounce like this, friendship. Okay, so where is the that sound? Where is the that sound? Okay, we omit it, we delete it. Why? Because it comes between two consonants, na sound and sa sound. So friendship. Okay,
Friendship.
is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, master.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's very good.
Okay. So some examples. Okay. The first one we pronounced, yeah, scripts. Okay. The
Scripts.
second one,
Acts.
acts.
X.
Yes. Okay.
Acts.
Yeah.
Handsome.
Yes. Facts.
Facts.
Okay. Dialects. Okay, dialects means accents. Dialects means accents.
Temps.
Okay, so we omit ta. Okay, attempts.
Attempts.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Postcard.
Handsome.
Postcard.
Postcard.
Yes.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Yes.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Friendship.
Yes.
Friendship.
Friendship. Yes.
Highlands.
Highlands.
Yes.
Highlands.
And highlands. Yes. Excellent. Great job. Okay, so this is the elision. Okay, this is elision in one word. Okay, I want to see the elision between two words like this. Okay, so who can pronounce the first one?
Last chance.
Last chance. Last chance. There's no ta sound here. So last chance. Okay, last chance. Excellent. The second one. Okay.
Father and son.
Father and son.
Yeah.
Father
Father. Yes. Father and son.
And
And
son.
son. Father and son. Yes.
Yeah.
Father and son. Okay.
Father and son.
Yes.
Handbag.
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 Handbag. Yes.
Handbag.
Handbag. Okay. Okay. So this is here an elision. We omit the sound. Okay. We need this this word in the next slides. Okay. We will need it. Okay. So handbag. We omit the sound here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so most popular.
Most popular.
Most popular. So we omit that
Most
sound
popular.
here. Yes. Okay.
Left turn.
Left
Left
turn.
turn.
Left
Left
turn.
turn.
Left turn. Yes. Left
Left
turn.
turn.
Okay.
First, first
First
three.
three.
First
First
three.
three. First. Yeah. First three. Okay.
Next
First
day.
three.
Next day.
Yes.
Next
And
day.
next day.
Next day.
And next day. Okay. Next day.
Next day.
Okay. And this is a sentence. Okay. I don't know if I can come next week. If I want to read this sentence or every word separately, I will pronounce or say like I say it. I don't know if I can come next week. But I want to speak it fast or faster. I want to speak it in the normal speech. So the ta here, okay, we will we will omit ta here and in the next. So I don't know.
I if I can come next week.
Yeah, I don't know if I can come next week. I don't know if I can come next week. Okay, so we omit t here and here. Okay. Please, 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 please. If you don't want to speak, mute yourself. Please, if you don't want to speak, mute yourself. Please. Please, if you don't want to speak, mute yourself. Okay. Okay, Nick, yes? Assimilation. There's another feature. There's another feature. Please, Mrs. Amani Latabani, please. There's a lot of noise in your background and we don't hear well. So please mute yourself if you don't want to speak. Okay, so the next feature of the connected speech is assimilation. Assimilation. Okay, what is assimilation? So we know that elision is omitting or deletion or deleting sounds. Okay, this is elision. Okay, what about assimilation? Assimilation is a feature of connected speech. Okay, a sound, it changes to become more similar to the following sound. So here in this feature of connected speech, we change the sound to be similar to a following sound. Okay, we will change a sound to be more similar to a following sound. Assimilation can occur within a word or between words. So let's see an example. At first, within a word, hand bag. Okay, this is an example, or this is the word that I said, take care of it. Okay, handbag. Handbag. If I want to say this word separately, okay, you will say it hand bag. Okay, so you can hear all the sound hand bag. Okay, but this word in the sentence and when we speak fast changes into handbag. How? Okay, so when we speak it in a sentence, we will change it into handbag. How? Okay, let's see. At first, we said we can omit D. Yes? Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, Master.
Yeah, we
Yes,
can.
yes.
Yeah, we can omit D here, da here, because it comes between two consonants. The first is na, and the second is ba. Okay. Okay. So we can omit
Okay.
da here. Okay. So hand, bag, as we said before in Elision. Okay. But there's a rule here. What's the rule? When ma sound and pa are produced in a similar ways. So na changes into ma. Again, the word hand now ends with na sound. Do you agree? The word hand is
Yes.
in this with na sound. Okay. So na sound is a nasal. A nasal comes from nose. Na. Okay. So the na sound, it changes into m. Why? Another nasal. Okay, it's another nasal. Okay, but it's different in the way it's produced. So han, it changes into ham. So we will pronounce it handbag. Handbag.
لا خلاص خلاص.
Miss Amani, please. Miss Amani, please. Okay, so this point is clear, or I repeat it? I repeat it? Or is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so we changes na into ma sound. Okay. Okay, so in a sentence, how can we read it? If I want to say every word separately, okay, what a lovely handbag. But if I want to say it in a normal speed, so I will say, what a lovely handbag. What a lovely handbag. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, Nikis.
Yes.
Okay, another example. What is assimilation between words? So assimilation between words. Okay, who can read this? Who can read this? Yes. Who can read?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I
live in
Barcelona. Yeah, I live in Barcelona.
Barcelona.
Yes. Okay. So I said this sentence carefully and each word separately. So I want to focus on these two words, in and Barcelona. In and Barcelona. Okay. Okay, here is a transcription, in and Barcelona. Okay, so it's very similar, the previous example, na sound and ba sound. So we will change na into ma sound. So in Barcelona. So na changes into ma before ba. This is a rule. If you find na sound, okay, and it's followed by ba sound, okay, so it changes into m. So if I want to say this sentence, I will say it like this. I live in Barcelona. I live in Barcelona. Okay. Okay. So, but also before and p. Okay, like this. I live in Barcelona. I live in Madrid. I live in Paris. In Madrid, in Paris. Okay, so we changes na sound into ma before ba, ma and p. Okay. Okay, so this is a rule. This is a rule. Okay, next. There were 10 kings. So where is the simulation here? Between what? Yeah, na and ka. Okay, so 10 kings. So na, it changes into So 10 kings, 10 kings, 10 kings. Okay, so we changes na into okay, as in, so na it changes into na before ka. So n sound or na changes into before ka. As in this example, 10 girls, 10 girls. Okay, not 10 girls, 10 girls. No, 10 girls, 10 girls. Okay, so now it changes. Now it changes in n sound changes to before ka and yeah. Okay, more example. Okay, sa changes into sha. Okay, sa changes into sha before sha sound. Okay, like this. How can we pronounce this? How can we pronounce? If I want to say nice shoes, but I will change the first, okay, I will change the sa sound into sha. So how can we pronounce it?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Shoe. Nice shoe.
Nice, nice shoes.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice shoes. Nice shoes. Nice shoes. Yes. So nice and shoes will be nice shoes. Nice shoes.
Nice.
Okay, so another example. Tha, it changes into sa before sa sound. So fourth Sunday. So here it's a tha sound, and here is sa sound. So we will change tha into sa. So fourth Sunday. Fourth Sunday. Okay. Another example. Ta followed by ya. Okay, no, this is not J. Okay, this is not J. This is ya sound. Okay, this is ya sound, not J. Okay, this is a symbol of ya sound. Okay, so ta followed by ya changes to cha. So okay, so how
Nice to
can
meet you.
yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Okay, so yeah, meet and you. Okay, if you want to say, so this is if I want to pronounce it separately, so meet and you. Okay, but this is a weak form, as we said. If I want to say it in a sentence, we will say it meet you. Okay, and here we want to make assimilation between ta and ya. So we will say it, yes, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Da followed by yeah sound changes into j.
Yeah.
So, okay,
Would you like to come?
how can we pronounce it?
Yes.
Yes,
Would
Mr.
you
Ahmed.
like?
Would shall like to come?
Would you
Would
like?
shall like to come?
Would
Would you
would
like?
you like to come? Yes, sir. As you said, would you like to come?
Would you like?
Okay, it will be like this. Would and yeah. So would you? Would you like to come? Okay. And in another example, in this, I need your help. Okay. If you want to say it in a normal speed, I need you. I need your help. I need your help. Okay. I need your help. Okay. Need you. Need your help. Okay. Okay, so this is an activity or an example. Okay, where is assimilation here? That's easy. Where is assimilation here? Yes.
Telegram.
Yes.
N وG.
N and G. Yeah. So there are only 10 grams with sound.
Telegram.
Okay. In and ja, 10 grams. 10 grams of sugar in this cake, like this. So in na sound changes to okay. So there are only 10 grams of sugar in this cake. Another example. I love this pretty dress. Yeah. Yes. And sha. So dress shop. Dress shop. Yes. So sa sound changes to sha.
Sure.
Yes. Great job. Okay. So we talked about elision, and we said that elision is deletion or omitting, and assimilation changes a sound to a similar sound following it, and intrusion sounds are added to link words like this. There are 3 sounds that are added to link words, such as yah sound, wah sound, or rah sound. Okay. So intrusion means add some sounds to link words. Okay, so let's see an example. Yeah. Okay, and this, how can we pronounce it? How can we pronounce it? Yes, mister?
Go away.
Yes.
Go away.
No, sir. As Miss said before, is a Miss who was speaking? Miss
May.
Yes, Miss May. Go away.
Go away.
Go away. Go away. Okay. So when one word in this in, you, or u, wa, and ow, the next word starts with vowel. Okay. Like here, go, oh, and the next word starts with vowel. So the intrusions happens between 2 vowels. Okay. Okay. 2 vowels. Okay. Elisions between 2 consonants. Okay. intrusion between two vowels. Okay, so the word here in this with O, go, okay? And it is following and follows by a or a vowel. So we can add here wah sound. So we can say it go away, go away. Another example here. I am always late. So when one word ends in e, a, I, oi, okay? And the next word, like here, starts with the vowel sound. You can insert yeah sound. So if I want to pronounce it, we will say I am. We will say it I am or I am. Yes. So yeah, I am. I am. So there's a sound. We add sound here. This is yeah sound. Okay. So I am always late. So yeah is added. Okay. Here. If one word ends with O, A, air, a, oi, and the next word starts with vowel sound, so we should insert ra sound. So how can we pronounce it? I think it's difficult. Yes. How can we pronounce it? We will add R here. So lower and order are important. Lower and order are important. Lower and order are important. So we add R here because the first word in this with O, law, law and order. Law and order are important. So we add R here. This is the three cases of intrusion. So intrusions means add sounds to link words. There are three sounds we add: wah, yah, and ra sound. Okay? So this is a summary for the three cases: sound changes, assimilation, sounds are lost, elision, and sounds are added. This is intrusion. Is it clear or not? Is it clear?
Yeah, Mister.
Yes, yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, Mister.
Yes,
It's
yes.
clear.
Okay. So pronunciation activities. Some activities that we can use with our students. The first one, word tennis. So who can read the activity? This is the activity. Who can read it? Hey, who can read? Only read. And I will explain it. Only read. Hey. Okay. Hi, guys. Come on. Okay, I will read. Play in pairs, learners A and P. So I will divide it, the class into pairs, okay? The first one, A, says a one-syllable word. The second one, B, has to reply with a word that rhymes with the first word, such as this. The first one will say pot. Okay. The next one will reply rude. Okay. The first one will say again meat. Okay, and the second one will say see it. Okay. Okay. If anyone can't say a word, it will lose. He will lose, and the other or the opponent wins a point. Okay. So, what is the importance of this activity? Same sounds, rhyming pairs. Okay, this is same sounds, learn same sounds and rhyming pairs like this: pot, root. Okay, this rhyming pairs, meat, seat. Okay, so this activity can be used to review vocabulary, focusing on the pronunciation of vowel sounds. Okay, so why does he say, or why he called it a word tennis? Because the activity like a ball or a tennis ball that the students or the bears threw into each others. Okay, the first one will say pot and the second will root. Okay, the first one will say meat and the second will seat. Okay, and so on. Okay, so like a ball, okay, or like a tennis ball that they threw to each other. Okay, so this is the importance of this activity. The second one, limerick. So what's the meaning of limerick? Limerick means funny poems. Funny poems. So say the limerick. Who can read? It's easy. Okay, it's and funny. Who can read? Hey. Hey, my dears. Hey. Can you hear me? Any voice? Any voice?
Yes.
Okay, who can read?
Yes, Mister.
Yes, who can read? Read. We will learn from each other. Who can read? There was a young lady from Niger.
Yeah.
Who smiled as she rode on a tiger.
She returned from the
with the lady inside and the smile on the face of the tiger. So there was a young lady from Niger who smiled as she rode on a tiger. They returned from the ride with the lady inside and a smile on the face of the tiger. Okay, this is a poem. Okay, we should read like this as a song. Okay, so what is the importance of this limerick? Okay. Rhythm, connected rhythm. This is a rhythm. Connected speech, weak forms, stress, individual sounds. You can find all these features in this limerick, okay, or in this poem or stanza. Rhythm and the chantes are fun and memorable way to practice all aspects of pronunciation. It's a good method for teaching children. So, but note, there is a note here. This is Niger, not Niger. But why we pronounce it like this? The word Niger is purposely mispronounced so that it rhymes with tiger. Okay, but it's we should pronounce it like Niger, Niger. Okay. Okay, so it rhymes with tiger. Okay, I will say it for the last one, for the last time, sorry. There was a young lady from Niger, who smiled as she rode on a tiger. They returned from the ride with the lady inside and a smile on the face of the tiger. Okay, so this is a limerick. This is a funny poem. Okay. There's another activity, songs. Song is so important to learn the right pronunciation for our students. Okay, so I will ask the students to listen to each line of the chorus of the song, hum the rhythm, work in pairs, and look at the lines of the chorus on the strips of paper, and order the line of the song. So what's the importance of the songs? they can learn some features. There's some colleagues that join to the meeting at the end of the meeting. Okay, there are some colleagues. So the importance of the song, we can learn from it some features of pronunciation or connected speech, such as rhythm, connected speech, weak forms, stress. So songs are fun and memorable way to practice all aspects of pronunciation. It's a good method of teaching for children, especially for children. The children love songs a lot. Okay, and they learn quickly by songs.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
because it's so funny. Okay, and there's another activity. Listen to a teacher saying these sentences and underline the words you hear. Okay.
Yes, master. Yes.
It was the biggest ship I have ever seen. Okay, you will say the word that the students will choose. For example, it was the biggest ship I have ever seen. So the student here will know the difference between E and E, okay, in sheep and ship, okay? So he will know the difference between the two words and the two sounds, okay?
Yeah.
And another example, they went to buy beans and pens, okay? So they went to buy beans, not pens, and so on, okay? So the importance of this activity, he will learn the similar sounds, minimal pairs. So this activity is useful in helping learners note the difference between sounds which they have particular difficulties in distinguishing. Okay, so they have a difficulty in distinguishing between these sounds. So we can use this activity to make these sounds more clear.
By practice, it will be easier.
Yeah, by practicing. Okay. Practicing is important in everything. Okay. So this is the end of our session. Thank you so much.